Last week I made an announcement because I wanted some of that viral money, so I started putting together a new channel just to test viral shorts and make different shorts using AI. So the first thing I needed to do was create a new batch of AI shorts. So I did the research and found the best software to use. Now I first looked at VSET, which is a great software that allows you to make all sorts of quiz videos and AI generated content with images. But I've already used this in another project and I found that it didn't quite work the way that I wanted to. But it's definitely a great budget software and simple and easy to use. And it makes great videos like this in under 10 seconds. So definitely check it out.
Questions correctly. What is the name of the mythical creature that is said to have the body of a lion and the head of a human? Griffin.
I also worked with Kling and some AI models to put together videos like this animal hybrid video that combines different animals using AI technology. And I definitely might revisit this and make more videos like this, but for my first week on this new channel, I wanted to try something different. And that's when I found AI video, and this is really a mind-blowing service that lets you create really specific shorts and animations very quickly. So this is what I'm going to be using in this video, and I'm going to give you a full tutorial on this software. So if you like content like this, please subscribe to the channel. Now, AI Video is an amazing piece of software, and they made it by partnering with things like Kling, 11 Labs, and Luma to create a lot of these images and video effects and put them together in a pipeline so you can create fantastic shorts with a lot of customization very quickly. And for the price, starting around $39 per month for the standard version, but $19 for the starter version, it's a great deal. So getting started off, I signed up for the creator package at $39 and am just going straight into editing. And AI video is really cool because it has a bunch of pre-made templates, but it also utilizes things like Kling, 11 Labs, and Luma, so it can make animations along with much more advanced videos, and these end up looking a lot better. So we can select a template and get started, or we can create something from scratch, just modifying the prompts. Now, once you click on a template, you're going to be taken into the actual editing area. And here is where you define your video. So you can see here, you can enter in the topic of the video, your own pre-written script, or you can let the AI write the script for you. You can toggle the video duration and select a different art style depending on the type of short you're making. In this case, I'm making a how-to explainer video on box breathing, which is a kind of meditation technique, and I'm doing it in a diagram style of around 30 seconds. Now, the real highlight of this particular AI short software is the editor's note. The editor's note allows you to describe how you want your video put together very specifically, or leave things like templating so it can create the script and all the kinds of shots that you want in your video. So this is a way to free flow type out how you want your video to go and let it generate it for you. After the editor's note, we have orientation, caption style, and voiceover, where we can select different voices from 11 Labs. Finally, we have optional music, and we can describe the kind of music and have that generated for us as well. And we have describe audience, which lets us add in an audience so it can make the video more catered towards them. And here's the result.
How does box breathing work? This powerful meditation technique can calm your mind and body in just seconds. Here's how to do it. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold that breath for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 4 seconds. Finally, hold your breath again for 4 seconds before starting the cycle anew. This simple yet effective method can reduce stress, improve focus, and promote relaxation. What's the most surprising thing about box breathing?
So for a first try, it worked out pretty well. So this is what I'm going to be doing to make tons of different videos, but I'm also going to use ChatGPT. Now, before I jump into ChatGPT, I did want to show you the editor because I'm not going to be using that in this video. The editor is another really useful tool in AI video that allows you to edit the videos that have been created fully and create videos from scratch, generating things like voices from scripts, as well as all of your AI media content. So this is really useful if you need something really specific because it allows you to edit right in the browser, as well as still have access to all of the tools that you can use in the creator. But back to ChatGPT. I went in and I asked ChatGPT to act as a social media expert and viral researcher. I then asked it to provide a list of different ideas and used its second prompt to expand those ideas into topics I could input into AI video. And repeating this process, I created about 20 different videos, all in different niches and on different subjects using different editing styles. So these are going to be the first videos that I post to Hype Lab. But there are still a few steps that I'm missing. Creating a title, keywords, listing everything properly is a really important part of making a video get traction. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how I made a make automation that does all of this for me for every video, along with improving the prompts for AI video to improve the videos themselves. So I hope you subscribe to follow this series, and thanks for watching.